Hi, welcome back to our YouTube channel. This is Balakrishna. So, in this video, I am going to explain in class 8, chapter 3, understanding quadrilateral exercise 3.3. Power question. Can a quadrilateral ABCD be a parallelogram if angle B plus angle B is equal to 180? So, here opposite angles are equal. A, B, C, D. When opposite angles are equal, then their sum is 180. That means that each angle is how much? 90, 90. Okay, then angle B is equal to 90, angle D is equal to 90, angle A is equal to 90, angle C is 90. So 90 plus 90, 180. So may or may not be angle D plus angle B is equal to 180. When it is angle D is equal and B is equal to 90, it is possible. So angle D is equal to angle B is equal to 90. Then angle D plus angle B is equal to how much? 180. So may or may not be parallel. So may or may not be parallel. Next, what that? AB is equal DC is equal to 8, AD is equal to 4, BC is equal to 4.4. In a parallelogram, opposite sides are equal. So AB is equal to BC. Next, AD is equal to DC. But here AB is equal to DC is 8. That means AB is equal to 8, DC is equal to 8. But AD is equal to how much? They given that 4. BC is equal to how much? They given that 4.4. So opposite sides are not equal. So therefore ABCD is not a parallelogram. Not a parallelogram. Why? Because opposite sides are not equal. Opposite sides are not equal. Next, angle A is equal to 70 and angle C is equal to 65. Third one. So here in a parallelogram, opposite angles are equal. Angle A is equal to angle C and B is equal to angle D. But in this problem, they give that angle A is equal to 70, angle C is equal to 65. So opposite angles are not equal. Opposite angles are not equal. So therefore ABCD is not a parallelogram. Is not a parallelogram. Fourth one, draw a rough figure of a quadrilateral that is not a parallelogram but has exactly two opposite angles of equal measure. So in a rhombus, adjacent sides are equal. The diagonals are not equal. The diagonals are perpendicular, bisect to each other, and the opposite angles are equal. So here, what is the rough diagram? Rhombus. Opposite angles are equal. Every angle is need not be 90 degrees. So the sum of adjacent angles is how much? 180 degrees. So here, what the question? Draw a rough figure of a quadrilateral that is not a parallelogram but has exactly two opposite angles of equal measure. What is the rough diagram? Rhombus. Next, next fifth one, the measure of two adjacent angles of a parallelogram are in the ratio 3:2. Find the measure of each of the angles of the parallelogram. So they given that the ratio of two adjacent angles of a parallelogram is 3:2. One adjacent angle is 3x. Each part how much they dividing, you know that? That is x. So one adjacent angle is how many parts? 3 parts. Another adjacent angle is how many parts? 2 parts. One adjacent angle is how much? 3x. Another adjacent angle is 2x. So here we know that the sum of two adjacent angles in a parallelogram is how much? 180 degrees. So sum of two adjacent angles of a parallelogram is how much? 180 degrees. So here what are there? 3x and 2x. 3x plus 2x is equal to 180. So 3x plus 2x is how much? 5x. So 5x is equal to 180. X is equal to 180 by 5. 5 1 ja, 5 36 ja. So x is equal to how much? 3x. 36. So one adjacent angle is how much? 3x. That is 3 into 36 is equal to how much? 108. Another adjacent angle is 2x. 2 into 36 is how much? 72. So here what asking that? Find the measure of each the angles of parallelogram. In a parallelogram, opposite angles are equal. That is here 108, 72, 108, 70. These are the angles of a parallelogram. Two adjacent angles of a parallelogram have equal measure. Find the measure of each of the angles of the parallelogram. So here let us take one adjacent angle is x, another adjacent angle is also x. Why we can take as x? Given the question is two adjacent angles of a parallelogram have equal measure. Okay, so here we know that sum of two adjacent angles, sum of two adjacent angles of a parallelogram is how much? 180 degrees. So here what are the two adjacent angles? X, x. So x plus x is equal to 180. 2x is equal to 180. X is equal to 180 by 2. 2 1 ja 2, 90 ja. So x is equal to how much? 90. So what the question? Find the measure of each of the angles of a parallelogram. So how many angles are there? 4, 90, 90, 90, 90, 90. So these are the angles of parallelogram in the given question. So the adjacent figure OP is a parallelogram. Find the angle measures x, y, z. So in a parallelogram, opposite sides are equal, opposite angles are equal, sum of adjacent angles is 180, diagonals are not equal, diagonals are bisect to each other. So here, these two angles here, this line and this line is a parallel, this line and this line are parallel. So when these two lines are parallel, then this angle and this angles are corresponding angles. So in this figure HE is parallel to OP. HO is a transverse line. So 40 plus Z is equal how much? 70. Why? Corresponding angles are equal. Corresponding angles are equal. So plus 40 going to also happen minus. Z is equal 70 minus 40. Z is equal how much? 30. Next, x plus 40 plus z is equal to 180. Why? Because sum of adjacent angles is how much? 180. Sum of adjacent angles is 180. So z is how much? 30. X plus 40 plus 30 is equal to 180. So x plus 70 is equal to 180. Plus 70 is going to happen minus. So x is equal to 180 minus 70. X is equal to how much? 110. So z is equal to how much? 30. X is equal to how much? 110. Next here 40 is equal to y. Y is equal to 40. Why? Because these two lines are parallel. It is a transverse line. Then alternate interior angles are equal. So y is equal to 40 because alternate interior angles are equal. Okay, so x is equal to how much? 110, y is equal to 40, z is equal to how much? 30. Thank you for watching my videos. Please subscribe our YouTube channel and share to your friends. Thank you.